bike showed up.
Your crate's a little bigger than mine was.
Nicely packaged. Here's the box. I'm gonna get this box off, get it down to the frame, and I'll show you the video of that one. Alright, so here's the motorcycle after you get the cardboard box off of it. Cardboard box is sitting right there. Looking pretty good so far. I haven't taken any of the bubble wrap or anything off of any of the components, just still sitting in the frame. Brake lever's nice, everything looks good. I mean, if I saw this driving down the street, I wouldn't think it was a $2,500 bike, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna get the rest of the stuff off of it and record another video. Finally got her out of the frame, all put together. Handlebars on, although I'm gonna adjust those a little bit, make it a little bit easier to grab. Yeah, I mean, she looks pretty good. I'll get a running video of her tomorrow. I don't have enough gas right now. I had that dinky little gas tank, so I've got to get something better. But yeah, I mean, bike's solid. Sounds good when you crank it. Haven't gotten her started yet, so I don't know what the muffler's gonna sound like when it's started, but yeah. Alright, had the bike about a week now. You got a full tank of gas in it. There's your display. You've got your odometer. Got 0 miles on the bike so far, so I'm getting up and down my street. There's your trip mileage as well. Yeah, all the lights work. Your LEDs. You got those on both sides. You got a passing light on the front. Turn signal. A bit finicky if you are using the left turn signal, I've noticed. Just turning off the turn signal. That can be a little bit hard to learn, but once you've learned where it goes, it's pretty easy. Reflectors, nice big hydraulic disc brakes in the front and back. There's your rear turn signals as well. Got hazard lights. Yeah, really decent bike, but I'll get a running video for you guys, and then that's gonna be it for this. Alright everyone, that's going to be it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. If you didn't like the video, touch in the comments. I don't really care. This isn't going to get any pickup on it, so enjoy.